everyone, I am Ruchika and in today's video I will be talking about the Indian Army rank structure. हम ये भी जानेंगे कि इंडियन आर्मी में ये रैंक्स किस तरह अलॉट करी जाती हैं और प्रमोशंस किस हिसाब से दिए जाते हैं. The Indian Army ranks can be classified into three categories: commissioned officers, junior commissioned officers and the other ranks or soldiers. Promotions up to Lieutenant Colonel are based on time in service and promotion to Colonel and above are based on selection. इसी सीक्वेंस में फर्स्ट हम बात कर लेते हैं अबाउट द टाइम स्केल रैंक्स. जो पहली रैंक है दैट इज द लेफ्टिनेंट. द लेफ्टिनेंट इज आल्सो नोन एज अ यंग ऑफिसर. ही बियर्स 2 5-pointed stars on the shoulders. एक लेफ्टिनेंट जूनियर मोस्ट कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर होता है एंड ही इज अ गैजेटेड ऑफिसर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. एक लेफ्टिनेंट यूजुअली कमीशन हो जाते हैं at the age of 21 or 22 and he commands a platoon or a section. Captain. A young officer becomes a captain after a service of 2 years. He bears 3 5-pointed stars on the shoulders. A captain is second in command of a company or artillery battery. He is also referred as a company commander. एक कैप्टन परफॉर्म करते हैं ड्यूटी एक एडजुटेंट की, क्वार्टर मास्टर की, ओपी ऑफिसर और जीपीओ. मेजर. A captain becomes a major after 6 years of service. He wears a national emblem on the shoulder. This promotion is subject to clearance of Part B examination. एक मेजर कमांड करते हैं एक कंपनी को. A major can perform the duty of adjutant, quartermaster, OP officer or GPO. Lieutenant Colonel. A major is promoted to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel after 13 years of his service. A lieutenant colonel wears a national emblem over a 5-pointed star on the shoulder. A lieutenant colonel is second in command in a battalion or a unit. एक lieutenant colonel commanding officer का भी रोल प्ले करते हैं उनकी absence में. Promotion to this rank is subject to clearance of Part D examination. Friends, यहाँ तक तो हमारी टाइम स्केल रैंक्स थी. इसके बाद हमारी सिलेक्शन ग्रेड रैंक्स होती हैं जिसमें सबसे पहली रैंक है कर्नल. अ लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल becomes colonel after 15 years of commissioned service. He bears a national emblem over 2 5-pointed stars on the shoulders. एक कर्नल कमांड करते हैं एक बटालियन को या एक यूनिट को 2 से 3 साल. RINC या NDA से जाने वाले ऑफिसर्स get an approval for the rank of colonel in their first attempt. Those officers who are not selected for the rank of colonel under time scale promotion, they are promoted to this rank after 26 years of their service. But इस केस में उनको as a commanding officer सर्व करने की opportunity नहीं दी जाती है. A colonel can serve up to 54 years of age. Brigadier. 25 years of commissioned service is required for selection to this post. A brigadier bears a national emblem over 3 5-pointed stars in a triangular formation. एक brigadier command करते हैं एक brigade and a brigadier can serve up to 56 years of age. Major General. 28 years of commissioned service is required for selection as a Major General. A Major General bears a 5-pointed star over cross baton and sword. A Major General can serve up to 58 years of age. Lieutenant general. 36 years of commissioned service is required to become a lieutenant general. A lieutenant general wears a national emblem over a cross, baton and sword. He can be appointed as the vice chief of army staff. एक लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल लीड करते हैं एक कमांड को या फिर एक कोर को. He can serve up to 60 years of age. General. This is the highest rank awarded in the regular army service. This position has a term length of 3 years या फिर एक ऑफिसर सर्व कर सकते हैं जनरल की पोजीशन पर अप टू 62 years of age, whichever is earlier. Appointments to the office of Chief of Army Staffs are made by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet, which is headed by the Prime Minister of India. A general wears a national emblem over a 5-pointed star all over a cross baton and sword. Field Marshal. Field Marshal is ranked immediately above General, but this position is not exercised in the regular army structure. ये एक ceremonial या war time rank है जो आज तक सिर्फ 2 ही बार award की गई है. A Field Marshal bears a national emblem over a cross baton and sword in a lotus blossom wreath. So guys, this was all, and we will be coming up with new such videos. Till then, keep watching. Jai Hind.